Don't you know the rules of the road? That's a fatal mistake. Hi, I'm Vasya, your driving instructor. If you want to become a confident driver, avoid costly mistakes, and drive safely without fines, make sure to join our community and subscribe to the channel. Every day we practice real-life traffic situations that help drivers improve their knowledge and make better decisions on the road. Today, we're going to solve another interesting intersection challenge. At first glance, it may seem easy, but don't be too confident. Many experienced drivers get this question wrong, and beginners often find it confusing. This task is useful for anyone who drives a car because understanding right-of-way rules at intersections is one of the most important skills a driver can have. Incorrect decisions at intersections are responsible for thousands of accidents every year. So let's see how well you know the rules. Here's the challenge. 3 cars arrive at an uncontrolled intersection. Which vehicle should pass the intersection first? Choose one of the following answers. Option 1, car. A. Option 2, car B. Option 3, car C. Option 4. By common agreement, take a careful look at the situation before answering. Many drivers immediately choose one of the vehicles without fully analyzing the intersection. Others try to apply the yield to the right rule and believe the answer is obvious. But is it really? Pause the video now and write your answer in the comments. I'm curious to see how many people get this one right. Don't scroll down to read other comments. Make your own decision first. Ready? I'll start the timer and give you 10 seconds to think. Time's up. I hope you've made your choice, because now we're going to analyze this situation step by step. Let's break it down. In the picture, we can see 3 vehicles approaching an intersection. The A car intends to turn left. The B car intends to turn left. The C car also intends to turn left. To solve this problem correctly, the first thing we must determine is the type of intersection. This is extremely important because different intersection types have different right-of-way rules. Generally, intersections can be divided into 2 major categories: controlled intersections, uncontrolled intersections. Controlled intersections have traffic lights, stop signs, yield signs, or traffic officers directing traffic. Uncontrolled intersections have none of these controls. Looking at our diagram, we can clearly see that there are no traffic lights, no traffic officers, and no priority signs. Therefore, this is an uncontrolled intersection. Now let's examine the roads themselves. All roads have the same paved surface, and no road has priority over another. That means we must apply the standard right-of-way rules for an uncontrolled intersection. According to traffic rules, when multiple vehicles arrive at an uncontrolled intersection at approximately the same time, each driver must yield to the vehicle approaching from the right. Normally, this rule works quite well. However, this situation is special. Why? Because every vehicle wants to turn left. As a result, each driver has another vehicle on the right side that technically has priority. The A car must yield to the vehicle on its right. The B car must yield to the vehicle on its right. The C car must also yield to the vehicle on its right. This creates a circular situation where everyone is waiting for someone else. No vehicle has a clear priority. Since traffic rules cannot establish a definite order in this specific case, the drivers must resolve the situation through common agreement. This can be done through eye contact, hand gestures, flashing headlights where permitted, or other forms of communication between drivers. Once the drivers agree who will move first, the others proceed accordingly while continuing to follow the right-hand priority rule. Therefore, the correct answer is option 4, by common agreement. Congratulations if you selected answer number 4. You have a good understanding of intersection right-of-way rules and how they apply in unusual situations. If you chose a different answer, don't worry. These exercises are designed to improve your decision-making and help you become a safer driver. Tell me in the comments, did you get it right on your first try, or did this question trick you? I'm Vasya, your driving instructor. Subscribe to the channel for more driving tests, traffic rule challenges, and real-world driving tips. Drive safely, respect other road users, and I'll see you in the next lesson.